Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a review on a heat styling product. That's why you see me like a lioness. So this is the Duvolle or Duvolle. I don't know how you pronounce it, but I'm just showing you the name right here. So it's the Duvolle Pro Series Professional Titanium Curling Wand. And I have the bigger one. I don't know the measurement of it, but it's this one right here. And I just did my hair on camera with you guys, most of my hair, because I had to make sure in the mirror that I wasn't gonna just ruin my hair. But this company was amazing because they let me choose the product that I wanted to review. They sent me an email, asked me to check them out, and if I wanted to try a product, that I could just go and check it out. So this was sent to me, but I've used it a ton. I even travel with it. So it's a really, really nice product. Oh, this is the barrel diameter is 32 mm. So it's the bigger one. They have a 19 millimeter, a 25 millimeter, and a 32 millimeter one. And I chose the bigger one because I love bigger curls and loose curls. I don't like the uptight curls, and you will see at the end of the video I will show you standing up the way my curls look super natural. And that's it, you guys. If you want to see this review, if you want to see how I curl my hair without any experience curling my hair, because I'm a makeup artist but I don't do hair because I suck at it, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's just start with doing my hair with you, because it's just something that I've been wanting to do. I got these about 2 months ago. This is a Duvolle titanium professional titanium curling one, and this is from the Duvolle Pro Series. This was sent to me, but I wanted a curling one that was this big, and I just want to try it with you guys because I've tried it a few times, but I'm no pro at using this type of products. And Duvolle, they gave me a code that you guys can use if you want. You get about 50% off. They end up being super cheap, and I love the way they heat. I love the way you get a glove with them, and I find that it's really easy to use and comfortable. Like I said, I'm no pro at doing my hair, and I've been really enjoying it. So when I do curl my hair, I never straighten it first. I leave it just as it is. It's a little bit messy, so I'm gonna use the curling one to make my curls more defined, and that way I do not heat my hair twice. And the way I use it, I never know how to do it. Like one way my hair needs to go in front of the wand and then underneath the wand. I do it messily because that's just the way I am with my hair. So I truly don't mind doing it in one way or the other. And for me, the look is exactly the same. I just want messy waves or just wavy, defined hair. So I will put it either up front or in the back. I don't mind. And then I will let it sit there. And I will count to 10. And then I will drop it. So I'm using the glove in the wrong hand, of course, because that's who I am. So I'm just gonna switch it up and do it the other way. So I'm cool that way. I always use heat styling product first, and the one that I'm using now is a Colombian brand. It's called Sublime. And I use it right after I wash my hair, and since I washed it yesterday, that's what I put in. If I use more product now, then my hair will be oily tomorrow, and that's just no good for me because that means that I'm wasting my time. I will show you the end result afterwards. I'm gonna just let more of my hair go down. And I don't grab small sessions. This is basically the easiest way to do your hair. Some people are just so methodical that I find that it's really hard to do it. So I prefer just to do it the easy way, because for me this is realistic. I do what I need to do with hair, so well, I'm with my makeup. So whatever I want to do with my hair, it's something easy. It's either I straighten it or I do this type of curls. Sometimes I grab bigger pieces of hair, sometimes I grab smaller pieces of hair. And then at the end, I will look at myself in the mirror. Now I'm looking at the viewfinder in the camera because you guys know that Apple hasn't updated the EOS, Canon hasn't updated the EOS thing that they have for me to look at myself in my computer while I do these videos. So I have to look at the viewfinder, which is really far, or just look at nothing at all. And that's just, it has me frustrated, I have to say, because I updated my computer and I never thought in a million years that I wouldn't be able to look at myself while I film. And that's important when you do makeup. You have to look at what you're doing if you're not blurry or whatever. So that has me a little bit disappointed and sad. Truly, I don't feel like filming anymore because I don't know how my videos are gonna end up. My mic, it's also not working. Every time I use it, the sound is awful. So the past videos that I posted, I filmed the same day and I didn't use my mic and it was just my camera. And today I'm doing the same. So I'm hoping for my videos to have a good sound. But it's just a hassle, guys. YouTube, I've been having a hard year because I've been working a lot, but I loved my job. It's just that I feel that with all this project that I'm doing, I'm gonna tell you guys more on my update. But I've been trying to pay my debt, right? So I know it's not gonna take this year. It didn't take last year, so it's gonna take about 2 more or 3 more years to finish paying off everything. And knowing exactly what you owe and just working with someone that specializes in finances, it hits you in a way that you wouldn't expect. And it hits you more when the debt is big. It's draining when it comes to your mindset and your peace of mind. It just drains you from it. And every day what I'm thinking is, okay, I need to work and I need to do this because if not, I won't be able to pay my things and I need to pay them quickly. If not, then my life is gonna go, it's gonna fly by while I'm just paying stuff and I'm just exhausted all the time. And I thought you guys needed to know this because if you don't see me on YouTube, it's not because I don't miss you guys, because you guys are the only thing that make me want to come back here. But it's just that sometimes I feel just drained and sad, and I don't want to be here and be sad. I want to be here and be happy because I'm talking about something that I love, you know? So yeah, it's been hard. And this quickly turned into something that probably you guys don't care about. So this is how my hair is looking now. You can see that the waves are super loose because I don't like extremely curly waves, and I do it messily. That's why I do it messily. Oh my god, I'm sweating already. I can't turn on my AC because it makes a huge, awful sound. So that means that I have to do this without my AC, and this is really hot. I have it on 380. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I use it that way after I put the heat protectant, and it works for me. I don't feel like it damages my hair less or more if I use it this way or with less heat. I feel like it's the same damage to the hair. But I love these. I truly do. I find these to be quicker than ironing. And I find it to be even more sexy and playful than just straightening my hair. Then I will grab little pieces and do the same thing with little pieces just to give it more texture. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera because I can't see myself in the viewfinder that well. But I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up without filming, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so you guys can see my hair. Look at it. This is how it looks after I make it wavy. And it gives you volume, and what I do is I put it to the side and it will look bigger and better. So I love doing this. I truly do like that tool, so I'm gonna tell you more about it. Just what they did was that they sent me an email and told me if I wanted to choose any of their styling products and just to check their website, and if I wanted to check them, they would give me a code for you guys. I don't make any money from it, that just to check out the products. So I went in and I saw a straightener. I have one and I love it. I have a babyliss one, and I have a curling one that's a babyliss one, that's a small one. It's really tiny and I don't like it because it leaves my hair super curly. I have also the babyliss that you put your hair in and sometimes it gets stuck and it gives you curls, and I love that one, but it's just too much of a hassle and it takes too much time. So I wanted a big curling one because, like I said, I love curls that are not extremely defined, but I love my hair to look big without looking like I didn't brush it. It's just that if I'm gonna do waves, that's the style that I want. So I immediately went for the bigger wand, and that's the bigger one that they have. And these says here that it's a professional salon model. It's 100% titanium barrel, light body weight, and that's really true. Negative ion technology gives hair more shine and less frizz. Instant heating and variable temperature control, 265 Fahrenheit to 430. So I always, like I say, I use it between 350, 380. It says that it has an easy to read color LCD display. It shows you in the little screen the temperature that you're using. Ergonomic soft touch handle. It's really easy to use. I love the glove, like I said. Cool tip for easier styling. Yes, I love this. I didn't mention this before, but I love that this doesn't heat up. So sometimes when you want to grab something, you can keep the ends of your hair right here on the tip of the wand. You will style it easier, and also you'll be able to grab it without getting burned like I did because I'm no pro. Then it has dual voltage for world travel, which is really nice if you go to another country. And then the cord, it's a swivel cord. It's a 360 swivel cord. So when you're moving, it doesn't really get stuck. And that happens with my straightener, and I hate it. So I really like this. I think it's nice. It also has a feature that says that it has auto shutdown within 60 minutes of being on. And that's nice because if you leave it on, it will turn off by itself. So I'm gonna leave their website below so that you guys can check it out. And now I'm just gonna go and film the intro for this video and also film another video that I have planned for you guys. So just check them out, and I'm happy that brands reach out to me. This brand was really patient waiting for my review because even though I loved it when I first got it, it took me a while to get it because I was traveling too much. And then since I was traveling a lot, I didn't get it for about, I think, a month and something. So when I got it, I tried it, and then I traveled again, then it was December. I was working so much, and then so yeah, I didn't want to let another month pass by without posting it, because if I already loved it and I was gonna talk eventually about it, I wanted to do a dedicated video because I love companies that support small YouTubers. That for me means the world. And the fact that they let me choose the product means that I would already immediately want it. So it just had to be great quality, and it's great quality. These curls will last me up to 2 days, and if I do some kind of spray on my hair, they will last longer, but I can retouch them. So I prefer not to put any styling product that will make it feel nasty. I prefer to just, if I need a retouch, I will just go for that in the morning and I will be set. I love the volume that it gives me because I always use straight hair, so for me it's really nice to look like the Lion King, but like a pretty Lion King. So that's it, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also leave an emoji today, just something that will make me smile, because I've been in urgent need for more smiles and I love you guys. So I'm happy that I'm back. I filmed a blog for you guys, but I think that's gonna be posted after this video. I just want to post this before February gets here, and I will be filming my project pan updates because I have a lot to tell you guys. That's it, you guys. I love you, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.